traders, are you ready to elevate your trading game? Today I'm introducing the Smooth Cloud Indicator, a tool that helps you spot market trends, identify optimal buy and sell signals, and make better trading decisions. Let's get started. First, head to TradingView and type Smooth Cloud in the search bar. You will see an option by Big Beluga. Click on it to add it to your chart. Now, we'll tweak the settings to make it more effective. Go to the Input tab and change the length from 20 to 22. Next, switch to the Style tab. Hide these unnecessary options, but keep the rest as they are. Once done, click OK to save your changes. Here's how the Smooth Cloud works. A green shape indicates a buy signal. A red shape indicates a sell signal. The green cloud below the market price confirms bullish momentum. The red cloud above the market price confirms bearish momentum. To improve accuracy, we'll add the EMA slope angle oscillator. Search for it in the Indicators tab and select this version. Once it's added to your chart, we'll modify the settings. In the Input tab, change Moving Average 1 from 5 to 25 and Moving Average 2 from 50 to 55. Then adjust the style to suit your preferences and click OK. Now let's combine these indicators for a complete strategy. For a buy trade, the Smooth Cloud gives a buy signal. The cloud is green and below the price. The EMA histogram is sky blue and above the filter top line, and there is a bullish candle. For a sell trade, the Smooth Cloud gives a sell signal. The cloud is red and above the price. The EMA histogram is pink and below the filter bottom line, and there is a bearish candle. Place your stop loss just below the recent low for buy trades or above the recent high for sell trades. Aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Let's see the strategy in action. Here are some examples of this strategy. Watch closely as we identify the conditions, enter trades, and see how they play out. And that's it for today, my fellow traders. I hope this strategy gets you one step closer to your trading goals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or insights to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences or ideas for future videos. Together, we're building a community of traders striving for excellence. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading!